This artificial intelligence tool has been running my Google ads for me, so I don't need to check up on them. I don't need to constantly rerun and cancel ads. This robot automatically optimizes and runs my ads for me, and I've been able to get tons of traffic to various different affiliate offers. I'm going to show you the exact affiliate program that I've been using, which is something brand new. With this affiliate program, you can earn up to $25,000 for every paying customer and $1,000 for every developer referred. This affiliate program is paying you up to 40% lifetime every single month, which is over $60 in passive income every single month per referral. This affiliate program is paying 500 Australian dollars for every lead that you get to their affiliate program, $12 for every single transaction, another 40% subscription for up to 2 years, which averages to $230 a month, which for 2 years is over $5,520 passively, $50 per sign up, another $200 per sign up. So this is a database where you can go and get access to all of these affiliate programs over here. You can go and choose from any one of these to go and promote using the strategy to either make a once-off amount such as this one over here, $200 per sign up, or a passive income every single month such as this one over here that is paying 40% every single month. And we can take any of these affiliate programs over here and literally plug into this Google Ads automation AI and generate tons of traffic to our affiliate link. Now, if you don't watch this video until the end, you might miss some important steps, which means if you miss any important steps, you might not know how to do this strategy properly. So it's super important that you follow each and everything that I'm about to show you in this video if you want to learn how to use this Google Ads AI robot to get tons of traffic and to get tons of sales. I'm also going to reveal every single step, secret, and trick that I used along this journey to go and make money online with this Google AI robot. And as you'll see, there are hardly any people running ads on any of these affiliate programs, so now is the perfect time to go and use the strategy to capitalize on all of these affiliate programs listed in this database over here. So that is why it's super important you follow this video with me so that you can get onto this trend before other people do, so that you can maximize your earnings of all of these affiliate programs over here. If you're ready for this epic video, make sure to go down below to this YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic value packed video just like this one. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this Google AI robot and getting tons of traffic to all of these affiliate products over here in this affiliate marketing database so that you can go and get tons of traffic and make money online with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about what I do full-time off of YouTube, which is Forex and indice trading, I've created an entire course on YouTube completely for free with my best 20 live stream trading videos that I've compiled into one easy playlist for you guys. What I'll do is in the link in the description, I'll leave a link to this playlist. It's not some upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. I definitely recommend take a look at that after this video. But without further ado, I don't want to waste any time and let's get straight into the strategy. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into the first platform over here called Partnerstack.com. And as this says, this is a business-to-business software as a service website where there are tons of companies that already have existing software products that are ready to go and ready to sell, that they are allowing people like you and me to go and promote for them, and they will reward us and give us a commission for every single sale, transaction, referral, or lead that we get to their specific product. Take a look at this. You're going to get your own support system, affiliate marketing database, referral products, reseller channels, and many other products to increase your reoccurring revenue every single month. On the top menu bar of this website, go and click on our partner program, which will take you to another page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you can go and earn tons of rewards from any affiliate product that you go and promote from their database. If you scroll down, you'll see over here it's going to ask you a question: what type of partner are you? You can either apply to be one of 3 different partners. A solution partner, where you can go and list your own affiliate product if you've got an existing software product and have other people apply as affiliates for your product to go and promote that for you. Or you can become a referral partner, where you can submit leads and get rewarded when they become Partnerstack customers. So for example, if you refer people to Partnerstack, which is the database with all of these affiliate products, you will get a commission every time you refer someone to Partnerstack. And thirdly, you can become an affiliate partner, which will allow you to earn money when you refer people to any of the affiliate products listed within Partnerstack, which is what we are going to be applying for. So you can go and click on apply to be affiliate partner over over here, it's going to take you to this next page where it's going to ask you for your first name, last name, email address, your website, and over here you can just click on next over here and it will allow you to sign up and sign in with your dashboard. Once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look something like this. If you click on Marketplace on the top right, you'll be able to go and sort through any category that you want to. If you leave the default on featured, you will have a look at all the different products in this database that you can go and promote. For example, Gym Pass, which is some kind of gym software where you will earn 20% revenue for every customer that you refer per annum to this affiliate program. This affiliate program is pretty cool because they will pay you $5 for every person that you refer that just signs up. So they don't even need to buy their product and they already pay you $5 just for every person that signs up through your affiliate link, which is kind of like CPA marketing, really easy to get tons of signups with this process. Freshworks over here, which is some kind of HR management software, which will pay you a 15% commission every single sale for the rest of your life and $5 for every valid lead, meaning they're going to pay you $5 for every person that just signs up and then 15% every month of whatever package they go and choose. Printify over here, you will earn 5% commission of your customers' first orders for the first 12 months. Spin Technology is paying you 10 to 20% for your customers' first transaction. Some of these are paying crazy over here. I saw one over here that is paying $200 per conversion. This product over here is paying $2,000 for every paying customer and $500 for every referring developer, and they get $2,000 too. So that affiliate program is really paying massive commissions. So you can go and choose from any one of these. And what I wanted to show you, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, no one is really doing this. If I go and search, for example, Upstack over here on Google, you can go and take a look. No one is running ads on any of these tools at the moment. If I come back to Partnerstack and I go and copy, for example, let's take this one, TalkDesk over here, and I go and search this on Google, you will see no ads are being run on the search term either. If I come back to Partnerstack, if I search up Comment Chat, you will see no one is running ads on this either. So all of these software tools over here, no one is using this strategy to go and rank on the top pages of Google. And the best part is we are going to use this artificial intelligent Google ad tool to do all of the work for us to rank on the top page of Google to get all of the clicks and all of the signups. That is finally going to lead us to the second part of this video, the artificial intelligent tool that we're going to be using to run our Google ads. So we need to come over to writesonic.com, which is an artificial assistant program for writing product descriptions, automatic ads, and tons of other features such as Facebook ads, automatic tweets, automatic Instagram captions, Quora answer generators, TikTok video hook ideas, cold emails that you can use for your email automation campaigns, Google ad titles, real estate listing descriptions, product names, featuring LinkedIn posts, Amazon product titles, product features, more emails, keyword extractors, done for you LinkedIn ads, personal bios, YouTube descriptions and YouTube ideas, short press releases, company visions, and an AI article blog writer. The exact tool that we are going to be using is the Google Ads tool over here, which will automatically create done for you Google Ads, which we can go and use for this strategy. Go and click on Google Ads for your product, service, or name and description. You can just go and copy everything from Partnerstack over here and it will generate everything that you need for your affiliate program. So for example, we can go and use real estate Nexus over here, go and paste this as our product service name. For the description, we can go and copy the description as is, go and paste this over here. For our search term, we want to go and type real estate software. Go and click on generate Google ads over here, and on the right, take a look at this. We can go and use this ad over here. Here's your title and the description for your done for you Google ad. So now all we need to do is we just need to come over to Google Ads, click on the first link over here, go and click on start now so that we can go and start and create our Google ad. Click on website traffic, click on continue. Click on search traffic over here. For your campaign name, we can go and name this, for example, Real Estate Nexus. Just go and paste this as your campaign name. Click on continue, click on start new. What do you want to focus on? Click on clicks, set a maximum cost per click bid. You can leave this as default. Click on next again, and you want to go and choose all countries and territories over here for your languages. Go and search up English, click on English over here. We can go and click on next again. For your ads keywords, just come over to the Google Ads keyword planner and just go and search real estate software in the search bar. And it will give you a whole bunch of keywords that you can copy and paste into your ad. If you click on get results over here, take a look at this. You can see all sorts of keywords that you can go and copy and paste into your ad. For example, real estate software, we can go and paste over here. We can put comma, we can go and copy real estate CRM, which is a type of real estate software. We can also go and use rental management software as our keyword. And you can just go and select a whole bunch of these keywords. For example, 10, anywhere between 8 or 10 should be enough. Go and paste these over here and you've got enough keywords. And the best part is now for your ad, for your headlines, really simple. You can go and copy and paste your entire ad from Writesonic. Go and paste it over here. For example, your headline, which would be buy agent software, get leads to close more deals. For your description, you can go and copy your description as is. Just go and paste this over here. Go and cut out, for example, half of that. Paste it in the second description. To add a third description, just go and spread out each and every sentence into a separate description. For your final URL link, come over to Partnerstack and you'll be able to go and copy your affiliate link just like this over here. Then come back over to your Google ad, paste your affiliate link. You can go and click on next over here and you can start going and running your ads just like this. And running ads just like this by copying them from writesonic.com, you'll be able to go and rank on the top pages of any of these affiliate programs to get tons of clicks, potential signups, and affiliate revenue over here. And what you can also go and do is you can go and replicate this on Facebook. If you come over to Writesonic, you can go and use the Facebook ads tool over here and go and run the exact same ad on Facebook to double up your traffic and to double up your revenue. You can also come over to LinkedIn ads and create LinkedIn posts and LinkedIn ads over here. And thirdly, you can go and create YouTube ads. So you can go and use this on any social media platform, as this artificially intelligent tool offers any of these ad generation tools for any platform to go and replicate the success. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with affiliate marketing is I'm going to give you an entire playlist that will introduce tons of different traffic methods that you can use to any of these affiliate programs on Partnerstack over here. So this playlist over here consists of hundreds of different traffic methods that you can go and use and plug in to the strategy over here. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.